Claim: is India shifting from FAS tax system to GPS-based toll deduction at toll plazas? Fact check. The claim is going viral on social media. Several claims on social media have suddenly vouched for a satellite tracking system to pay toll on national highway, replacing the burdensome and allegedly erratic FAS tax system. The support for the new system has attracted the attention of many users, as it was claimed that the system is going to be implemented from 1st May 2025, in less than a month. See the claims here. One user wrote, "No more FAS tax from 1st May. India to launch GPS-based toll system." Another wrote, "India shifting from FAS tax to GPS-based tolls from 1st May 2025, pay only for the KMS you drive. No more waiting, no more scanning. Real-time tracking via Navisi GPS." Fact check. Truth: misleading. No decision has been taken by NHAI to replace FAS tax system from 1st May 2025, though the idea of GPS-based system is under consideration. Fact check details. Since the claim has gone viral with a note of urgency embedded on it that it is going to be introduced in less than a month, many people started sharing it on social media platforms. When Digit India received a request for an authenticity check, we searched for the official statement from the Union Ministry of Road Transport Highways.
आम्ही जवळपास 650 रोड साईड कम्युनिटी हे करतोय. टोलबद्दल मी जास्त सांगणार नाही, पण तुम्हाला लवकरच 15 दिवसाच्या आत अशी पॉलिसी येईल की टोलबद्दल तुमची कुठलीही तक्रार राहणार नाही.
He further said, "No one will stop you. The camera will take photos of your number plate and the exact toll will be taken from your bank accounts." But a quick search on Google revealed that the idea is still in its nascent stage and certainly not to be implemented from 1st May 2025, as claimed in several posts shared on social media. The ANPR FASTag-based barrierless tolling system will be implemented at selected toll plazas, the release stated, to facilitate barrier-free movement of vehicles through toll plazas and reduce travel time. Based on the performance, efficiency, and user response to this system, a decision will be made regarding its implementation across the country, it clarified. Hence, the claim about the date of introduction of the new system across the country from 1st May 2025 is false. Claim: India is shifting from FAS tax to GPS-based tolls from 1st May 2025. Conclusion: misleading. No decision has been taken by NHAI to replace FAS tax system from 1st May 2025, though the idea of GPS-based system is under consideration. Rating: misleading. The claim is misleading. Thank you for visiting us, digiti.in. Subscribe to our channel, Digit India.